Hi, my name is Rosa with West Coast Sweat, and I'm here today to talk to you about Kapalbhati breathing. It's the final breathing exercise we do after every Bikram yoga class. And it's so important and special because I like to think of this as I've just taken 90 minutes of class, my 90-minute therapy session, and now I have the chance to really breathe out, exhale. It's the breath of fire, and it helps me really tune into the refinement and fire I've created in my body throughout the class. So let's go through a couple of key things that are really important so that you get all of the benefits from Kapalbhati breathing. So first off, you want to keep your arms straight, elbows locked. And why do we do this? So that you can keep your abdominal wall perfectly relaxed. This is not the time to contract your stomach muscles. So arms straight, elbows locked, and focus on the exhale. I like to explain it like you're blowing a birthday candle out 2 feet in front of you. Abdominal wall perfectly relaxed. This is not the time for any extra stuff like the shimmies or the shakes, right? None of that in this. The abdominal wall relax, you focus on your exhale. And really tune into yourself after class. This is an amazing breathing exercise. I can't wait to teach it to you on your mat. Please post below if you have any questions. Have a great day. See you soon.